Stop worrying about things that haven't happened yet. The quickest way to happiness and being calm is to stop worrying about the things that haven't happened yet. I'll give you 4 ways to do that. But first, let me ask you this. Have you ever heard the word catastrophizing? The word makes sense when you hear it, but it seems like one of those put together words. Maybe it is. But most of us have been putting it into practice for years. Let me ask you this. Have you ever caught yourself hallucinating business disasters that haven't happened? How about seeing yourself stumbling through your presentations? Ever think about your best client leaving for no particular reason? Your creative mind is powerful enough to create great worst-case scenarios. It's also capable of channeling that energy into growth and success. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." This is especially true in business, where the stakes are high and there's a lot of moving parts. So, as promised, here's 4 ways to help pull you back from catastrophizing your life away. 1. Create a risk management hour. Dedicate weekly time to identify real threats and develop action plans. 2. Practice revenue reframing. For each financial worry, create 3 potential opportunities you can create. There's really 2 ways to stay financially afloat and grow. Increase revenues and lower expenses. Look at both of them. 3. Break out your resilience journal and look through past tough times. If you're keeping it up to date, review how you got through whatever it was the last time. And lastly, focus on being present. In business, it's easy to get caught up in worries about the future or regrets about the past. But the present moment is really where the power lies. Focus on what you can control and accomplish today. So here's your action item and mission should you decide to accept it. Do you find yourself having imaginary doomsday scenarios before they're even started happening? Or ever will? Break the chain. Come back to now and focus your mind on what is right in front of you. Business and life uncertainties are weighty enough. We don't need to go find them. If these ideas resonate with you, I have 138 previous Sunday Starters on other topics that are designed to help you accelerate your success. You can find them below. And bring someone else back from falling off the imaginary cliff by sharing this post. Remember, one hand washes the other, and together they get clean. Have a really rewarding week, and I'll see you next time.